Hey girl, how is school? Are you okay?
It's so terrible.
What is, school?
I just can't believe it.
Mandy, stop being so dramatic. Hey, you usually say that to me.
You won't believe who got the lead in the school play.
Who?
Trina Taylor.
Taylor. The principal's daughter? That's interesting.
Trina's acting is terrible, and her singing is even worse.
She has to sing?
Yes, and she sings like this.
Mandy, be nice.
It's the truth. And now I have to write about the auditions for the school paper.
Uh-oh. Good luck. So, do you wish you were in the play?
Well, I would have liked to try out for it, but since Trina has the biggest part, I'm glad I'm not in it.
Mandy, don't you have any homework to do?
Yeah, I have so much homework to do tonight.
Don't you think you should get started?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, you probably have a lot of homework to do, too.
Yeah, I have world history on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
And that's your class with the most homework, right?
Right.
Okay, I'll see you later. I have an article to write.